Yeah, oh, yo, shout out to Marketing with Dom. We in the, you already know. Hey, subscribe to this channel. We out here popping though. Let me tell you something. Yo, see, things are getting crazy. Yeah, I really know. OnlyFans is blowing up. Millions that they making, no. Making all these chickies, all this monies, and these dudes too. Couples making money. I'm like, oh shit, the truth too. I'm about this close for whipping it all out. Telling the world what your young boy all about. I ain't ashamed, I know it's the game. Starting to feel like, oh shit, it's a shame. But I'm trying to help this thing. I don't know if I can do both. Help and slang it too. Help a million people or slang for myself is true. I don't know what I could do. Fuck it, I'm all up in it. Should I make a couple $100? I don't really get it. Damn, life is so crazy. But lately I've been tripping on some shit and I'm crazy. So much desperation, I need to help the nation. I don't care about me, I'm just trying to help the nation. But they don't get it, people keep asking me, why ain't you doing it though? I'm like, if I do it, you ain't getting shit from me though. And I don't mean to be rude, cause that takes time and dedication. It takes one person and a multiple team just to dedicate it. So I had to build a team and I built a business just to help you too. You wanted me to open my own business? That's less for you and you and you. So I'm trying to get to the masses and that's really just the truth. Now I'm thinking about maybe what the fuck should I really do. But damn, I've been on some different shit. Trying to go so crazy, trying to make 100 million with 100 different people. Trying to take them to that 6-figure stack. Change their life where they at. OnlyFans where they stand. It was crazy with this business trippy shit. And it's always about that business, what you mean like this is shit. Everybody started judging, I'm like, oh shit, you the shit. Like you never whipped it out on a free site and jack with this. Now at least they making something, but they all ain't doing that crazy shit. But it's okay, either way, it ain't your life in that shit. So keep your mouth shut, get the fuck out this bitch. And if you talking about that money, get that money and shit. Cause the only people talking should be paying bills. And the only people talking should be getting ill. And the only people talking should be better though. And who you is the judge? You ain't my God though. Shit. I've been thinking about OnlyFans.